Good morning, dear students. Myself, Professor Nuzhat, Karim City College, Department Geology. Today, I'm going to discuss about different units, chapters, and marks distribution of JAT Board Class 12 Biology syllabus as per under schedule. Like we can see here, reproduction chapter. First one is reproduction. Reproduction has 4 units. First one, reproduction in organism. Another will sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Third will human reproduction, and fourth will be reproduction in the health. In whole fourth chapters carry 14 marks. Another one is unit 7, genetics and evolution. Here 3 chapters mentioned. Chapter 5, principle of inheritance and variation. Chapter 6, molecular basis of inheritance. Chapter 7, evolution. It's get 18 marks. Biology and human welfare, it carries 3 chapters. Chapter 8, human health and strategies for enhancement in food production. Chapter 10, microbes in human welfare, it carries 14 marks. Unit 9th, biotechnology and its application, it carries 2 chapters, chapter 11 and chapter 12. Chapter 11, biotechnology principle and processes. Chapter 12, biotechnology and its application, it carries 10 marks. Next unit is 10th, ecology and environment, it carries 4 chapters. Chapter 13, organism and population. Chapter 14, ecosystem. Chapter 15, biodiversity and its conservation. Chapter 16, environmental issues, it carries 14 marks. Total marks of the theory paper is 70. In above slides, we already seen number or marks of the chapters. Here we will discuss about reproduction chapters in details, like chapter 1, reproduction in organism, and various topics like reproduction asexual, sexual, modes of binary fission, osphorylation, budding, gemmules, vegetative propagation in plants, like sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Most of the chapters related with the male and female gametophytes, pollination types, agencies, examples, polyembryos, significance, seeds. Next chapter will be human reproduction. In human reproduction, male-female reproductive system, microscopic anatomy of testes and ovaries, gametogenesis, spermatogenesis, oogenesis, menstrual cycle, fertilization. Another chapter will be reproductive health. Reproductive health has a sexually transmitted disease, birth control, reproductive technologies, etc. Genetics and evolution has brief chapters are principle of inheritance and variation, like Mendelian inheritance, Mendelian incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple allele, inheritance of blood group, elementary idea of phylogenetic inheritance, linkage, crossing over, sex-linked hemophilia, color blindness. Another chromosomal disorders, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome. Another chapter is molecular basis of inheritance. It has several topics like genome project, DNA fingerprinting, gene expression, DNA replication, central dogma. Another chapter is evolution. Evolution has various topics like biological evolution, modern synthetic theory of evolution, mechanism of evolution, variation, natural selection, genetic drift, Hardy-Weinberg principle, etc. And human welfare. Human will in this chapter or this unit have 3 chapters. First will be human health and disease. In human health and disease has various topics like pathogen, parasite causing human disease, malaria, filariasis, scariasis, typhoid, pneumonia, ambrosis. Basic topics we can read in HIV, cancer, AIDS, adolescence, alcohol, drug abuse. Another chapter is strategies for enhancement in food production, like improvement in food products, plant tissue breeding, culture, cell singling protein, biofortification, apiculture, and animal husbandry. Another chapter is microbes in human welfare. We can studies in this chapter like production of industrial sewage treatment, energy generation, biocontrol agents, biofertilizer, antibiotic production, etc. Technology and its application. It has 2 chapters, biotechnology principle and processes. Only we can read in genetic engineering, recombinant DNA technology. Another chapter, biotechnology and application. Here most of topics related with the agriculture, human insulin production, gene therapy, genetically modified organism, transgenic animals, biopiracy, parents, etc. Opportunities, ecology and environment. Here 4 chapters we can see. First chapter will be organism and population. Here lots of topic there. Next, first one is organism environment, mutualism, competition, predation, parasitism, population, adaptation, death rate, distribution. Another chapter is ecosystem. In ecosystem, lots of topic we can see here. That is biomass, energy, ecological succession, ecological services, carbon fixation, pollination, seed dispersal, etc. Next chapter is biodiversity and its conservation. Here most of the topics related with the biodiversity, importance of biodiversity, biodiversity conservation, hotspots, excitation, red data books, biosphere reserves, national parks, etc. Next topic is environmental issues. Environmental issues only we discussed about what are the which kind of issues in our environment, like air pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, waste management, greenhouse effect, acid rain, etc. We already discussed about theory paper of 70 marks, like here 30 marks of practicals. We can see one major experiment 5 marks, one minor experiment 4 marks, slide preparation 5 marks, sporting 7 marks, practical record plus viva 4 marks, practical record and viva 5 marks. It's total about 30 marks. As a brief presentation of practical which will done in class 12. Here biological, practical, study, observation, sportings all are mentioned here. We can see very well.